It's finally time, ladies and gentlemen. We're finally gonna take this ugly ass steering wheel off of the hatch. We got a Momo steering wheel with an NRG quick release system, and I'm so excited. It looks so good. Got the V3 quick release, the hub, the lock, and a very, very nice steering wheel. So let's get this install going. First things first, guys, you got to make sure that you take off at least a terminal off of the battery. You do not want that airbag to explode in your face. It doesn't seem that nice in the videos that I've seen. And second thing is to take off the little plastics that are right here on the side, and it is a size T30, as you can see right there. Did you get it? Bro, what? You tripping? Oh, that's why.
Come on, bro.
Is it supposed to be like that?
No.
It broke inside?
Yeah, just get another one. I think there's a D-block one.
Damn. All right, guys, we're gonna resume this later. Oh man, that one makes me nervous.
Let me see your.
Let me see your what?
Your key.
Oh, it's right there next to you.
So I can turn it another way.
Oh yeah, because we gotta get it straight.
Cut the red wire.
That's not what you want to do.
Right, so that one came off pretty easy. Now these
Aren't those like the?
sometimes, well, like on the newer ones, you have to like, yeah, you have
There
to
you
do
go.
some weird shit.
Yeah, it's like the same ones under the seat, under my SI seat.
Yeah, well, this one is just you slide this back, spring loaded, and then you slide this one out.
Sweet. Okay, well, let's put this outside where it can't damage anybody or hurt anybody. Fuck this. Hey, we can set that off, right? I think this is a 19. Oh. We're not gonna let him know about that one.
Alright.
Yeah.
We don't have a steering wheel puller.
Just hit that motherfucker. Whew. Bro, we're gonna need.
This is what happens when you don't have the right tools.
Ah, motherfucker. Ah.
Do that again. Do that again.
Hell no, bro. I think it was not budging. Nope. Nope. It's not gonna happen, bro. Alright, let's go to O'Reilly's.
Man, let me see your forehead.
Bitch!
Man, he's sweating.
Bro, it's hot in here.
This dude, another AutoZone.
All I wanted to fucking do, but no. Oh man, bro, this is some bullshit. Oh well, guess we gotta wait. You're gonna use a breaker bar?
Rip.
Rip. Damn, bro. User error. Ooh.
Get there.
Gross. Damn, bro. I pressed record right on time.
All right, now.
Time for the fucking fun stuff.
I think this was the fun stuff.
I think this is the dumbest shit. Should have just been ready and gotten that one. Oh well.
Dude, that took like
What, 40 minutes to go get it?
40 minutes for 2 seconds.
Usually how these videos go. These install videos go. Spend more time trying to fucking get the right shit to do it than actually doing it. Watch out. Damn, bro.
Okay, brand new. First use.
For real.
You didn't even use it. Take it back. Alright, now let's just make sure nothing is connected to this thing.
Hell yeah.
Alright, so we made this little harness thing using the parts that we took off. So this piece here, little metal tab, was actually screwed there. And this little black wire here, we took it off the airbag. If you want to go show that right quick. This is where the horn goes. Yeah, so this little black wire with the connector here went from here to the horn button. So we took that off, used that, and then this connector here, the blue wire, we took that off from the SRS unit, which is actually the horn wire. So that was all wired in here like this. So we just took that off of here, and now we have the
A good
connector to the original horn connector. And then so we're planning to mount this. So my first thought was there's a hole there, so put it there. But if you put it here and you put the hub in, it won't touch.
It won't make any contact.
Yeah. There's no contact, so we moved it up to this one here, and just had to bend it a little bit, and it should make contact.
Yeah, we can see it. Bam.
So I just soldered these together, put some heat shrink there too, just to keep it all nice and tight.
Sweet. Got everything basically mocked up right now. We're just tightening everything up. And my brother-in-law made a really good point. So I don't know if you can see, there's a little dot right there that actually shows you where the steering wheel is supposed to be facing and all that good stuff. Straight ahead. And then these connectors obviously need to make contact with these little connectors right there at the bottom. You see the little bronze ones right there, so that way your horn can work. Damn, bro. That should look really nice. All right, first one.
Damn. It is in. It's clipped. Yeah. You gotta get used to pushing that little.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro. I like it. Looks nice. It like upgrades the interior. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Like that. Look, I'm gonna be that one douchebag now. Let me show off my quick release.